Cherry 47, read back first.
Oh, is it really?
Air 5 Foxtrot Delta, I'm maintain 2,300.
There goes the catering truck. Okay.
5 Fox Delta, just going to maintain 2,000. Expect to extend it vector. Should be number 2 the field. Got a regional jet about 15 miles southwest of eastbound.
Hey.
Used to be able to listen to Bradley's.
Partially 353, 24 is getting ready to Haley.
Just take the kids there some weekends.
Okay.
5324, good afternoon. Altimeter 3027.
Oh, Southwest. Southwest Airlines. Boeing 737 MAX 8 taxiing. There it is. Southwest Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8 with CFM LEAP 1D engines. Wow! Look at that thing. Somewhat expecting an American Airlines 737 to take off soon. It's probably went entered that array of airport vehicles. Probably right there. There's Southwest. It's at the gate right now. Right, American's taking off. American is taking off. Positive right. Rotate. It's rotated. All right.
For traffic 1 o'clock, 4 miles, northwest bound, 1,800 feet indicated. 100 March American 2638, switching to climb pattern 1,400 for 4,000. American 2638, first contact, turn left heading 280, climb and maintain 10 is 10,000. Left turn 280, climb to 10,000, American 2638.
Actually had kind of a...
All right. There's that 7-3.
From Cali out about 3,000 feet. You're clear to the ILS, runway 5. Bear 5 Fox Delta, traffic now 1 o'clock and about a mile. Turning northeastbound.
Seems like there's not going to be another plane for at least 5 minutes. Stopping the recording.